Hello, everybody. This is Trader Sabran here. You're welcome to our YouTube channel. I want to begin to share with you what we plan to do or what we plan to trade this coming week, week 9 of the forex market. So we're looking at GBpUSD. We normally do our weekly forecast to look at what the market has for us. I believe you guys have been enjoying these videos. So the last week we did an amazing forecast on EU and GBpUSD, and the result of last week was an amazing result. So I'm so happy that a lot of people are benefiting from our daily and weekly analysis that we put out there. Now, the weekly one is what you guys watch on the YouTube, okay? But the daily ones that we trade is on the Telegram. So if you are not on our Telegram group, then you're missing out big time, because the weekly one is just to show the overall direction of the week that we're looking at. But the daily trade that we normally do, we give analysis, is in the Telegram group. So you need to participate on that. So how do you get to the Telegram group? The link is in the description of this video. So go there and click the link and you join for free and partake, especially if you're new to forex trading. You don't want to miss this opportunity. Now, last week also, we did a giveaway, and we had somebody that won last week, our giveaway of that previous video we did, week 8 video. Someone won a giveaway, and he has been already enrolled in our mentorship program for 1 year. Can you imagine that, for free? So now this video we did last week, we did that was week 7 actually. So week 8, we did another video last week, and we said that anyone that win this week 8 comment section, or whoever that comes out to be a winner on our random pick of this week 8 video that I'm going to be showing you later, you should be ready for this week to be enrolled into our mentorship for 12 months for free of charge. Now, what about this week 9 video? Well, I thought of stopping the giveaway, but this week, this very video I'm doing right now, this is week 9 on the analysis that we're looking at. You will want to participate on the comment section, share the video, comment on the section, because we need you to participate, because we are going to be picking another winner next week as well. I think that will be the last one we're going to be having for this period of time, so you don't want to miss out on this one. So if you want to be the guy or the lady who will win our next mentorship giveaway program, you don't want to miss it. So comment on this video, share it, and let's go. All right, now let's talk about what we have to do on GBpUSD this week. What are we looking at? What trade are we expecting? What direction is the market going? What are we going to do in the market coming this week? Now, looking at the weekly time frame, this is the weekly time frame. I normally start my analysis looking at the weekly time frame, because you're looking at the overall movement for the week. So you have to start for a higher time frame to look at what the market is doing. Now, if you've been watching my videos, you know how we do this. This is our custom. Normally, if you see what I'm seeing here on the chart, it is very, very important to know that this is a pattern. All right, the market is giving us a pattern, and we have been seeing this M pattern since about 2-3 over a month now. We've been seeing this M pattern trying to form. All right, so we see that the neckline is about to be broken. Okay, the neckline is about to be broken, and if the neckline breaks, what we should be expecting is a pullback into that neckline and probably another drop. Hopefully that happens. If it doesn't, then we're going to look at what the market is giving us in structure wise. Okay, now looking at this weekly time frame, we could tell that this is like an uptrend structure. It's like an uptrend structure, because we have the first structure was broken. Here we have a breakup structure, market pullback and push up, and actually created an equal high with the wick. So created an equal high, which is obviously double top. And then we find that the market gave us a double top right there. Right here, we had a double top. Okay, this is weekly time frame, and then we had a double top right there. The market fails to break, creates a new high, rather give us a double top after breaking this structure here. All right, this structure was broken. We had a pullback and the market push up to break this high. And then what happened? We had a double top. Now it create, if you look at body wise, okay, if you look at this trade from here, body wise, okay, you see that this structure was broken. But if you look at using the wick, you will see that they had equal high. So this is where the confusion is on the lower time frame. For those of you trading lower time frame, you have found that there was a confusion here, but it's a very small, simple market structure and chart pattern giving us there. What you will want to see for a higher push up is that this high is broken, okay, which obviously it failed. So we didn't see price going up there. So this push up that we're looking at, this move to the upside, obviously, all right, has become invalid right now. This buy is looking as though it's invalid because of the break of the trend line, pullback, and another drop is happening. So looking at that, so we started selling from last 2 weeks. We started looking at selling because these are weekly time frame. Okay, so now we can see that the market right now is at the neckline. Okay, now the only way you can see this clearly is when you go to the daily time frame. So let me shift quickly to the daily time frame. All right, so you can see exactly what I'm looking at. Now this is the daily time frame. All right, this is the daily time frame, and this is the neckline we're talking about, this candle here. So we can see this tweezer bottom candle, all right, gave us that neckline that we're looking at. So if we extend this body, all right, to that level, we see price reacted at that level multiple times before breaking through and retest on it and then push back up. So let's leave that angle. Focus on this particular support that we just created at 1900. Now price has created a strong support at 1900, and a lot of times the market has come in there, struggle, and bounces off. So you kind of have like a consolidation around that zone, which you can see right here. Okay, we have on a daily zone like a consolidation around this zone. So what we want to think about right now, I believe some of you are good traders, you're already thinking exactly what I'm going to say next. See, you need to expect a reaction here at this key level. Okay, we need to expect a reaction. Now, if the market break through to break this net line and pull back in on the first day, which is on Monday or from tonight till on Monday morning or Monday evening, then you want to see a pullback to sell more if it breaks the neckline. But if it fails to break the neckline, you're looking at buys. Now, how would you position yourself to trade this? This is very simple. First of all, we can see that the counter trend line can be placed on there, which is here. We had the counter trend line can be placed on there. That's the first part you want to look at. This is the daily time frame, mind you. So a counter trend line is giving us this particular pattern here. Okay, so we want the candle to break either out of these zones to be able to trade for the week. So if the market rejects the support, if this market rejects the support and then pushes up, then we should expect a break of this counter trend line, a pull back into it, and then we start looking for buys. Then this will not be our necessary target to buy. Now, this is daily time frame. You need to pay attention to what I'm saying. Very important. So now that you see that the market is still within the zone, we need to expect two things. Number one, the market must break below to continue selling for this week. So we want to see by Monday afternoon, between now and New York section tomorrow, which is Monday, we should be expecting a break out of this section. That means we should be looking at the daily time frame to see where the market will break this, or the market is going to reject and then pushes back up. We need to see that. Now, one of the closest angle to look at this is looking at the 4-hour time frame. Now, remember, you should remember that this trend line is also there. All right, this trend line has been there, break and retest. Okay, we remember this trend line. That's why we started selling much more last week. So remember this. All right. Now break and retest. Now there is another trend line I want to bring in. And that trend line is not active yet, but I can see it coming. So to confirm my confluences, I might put it on the body, I might put it on the week. It doesn't matter, but I'll just leave it on this body right here. Now, look at this. I'm expecting, this is daily time frame. I want to pay attention to this. I'm expecting the market to break that neckline, which we saw on the weekly time frame, which is this place, which is 1.1900. And I also want a confirmation that is broken, which is a trend line. If it bounces off this trend line as a second touch, then we'll be looking for buying. If it break below the trend line and also break the neckline, we need a pullback. So what we're looking at is a pullback, a break, a pullback into the zone, and then we sell if it does that. But if it doesn't and rejects at this key level and pushes up, then we should be looking for a break out of this zone first, wait for a pullback before you buy. This is so important, guys. Now, if you sell, let's say you're going to be selling and it breaks that zone and is selling, what you need to target, where do you need to target? You need to target these zones. First, you need to target it for the week. You're going to be targeting the zones for the week. Now, these zones is between 1500 and 1400. So the market may smash to that zone for the week. If it sells and then began to buy, that means there's going to be market structure break, and then the market structure break, and then the next thing you see a pullback. Okay, it's very important. Market structure break, and then you see a pullback. But this is exactly what you should be expecting, how you're going to trade this week. So let me show you what I'm looking at on the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, as you can see, let me just reset the chart. You see, on the 4-hour time frame, clearly you see that the market has been giving us a lower high, lower lows. So we see lower high, lower lows, lower high, and then face to create a lower low, push up to create a new high, and then that becomes a lower low to this high, to this low, okay, to this low here, and then we have a new lower, that's lower high, and then a new lower low here, and the market pushes up to create a new lower low, all right, creating a new lower, so a new lower high now to create a new lower low. So what I mean by that is we have a lower low here, a lower high here, all right, and then a lower high here, so we should be expecting a lower low. Now, if the market fails to break this to create a new lower low, so what do I mean by that? We're looking at market structure break. So if I look at this very closely, I can put it on the body of that candle. I can see right now the market is sitting on it. So I need to see a break of that structure. If it doesn't break the structure, I'm not going to sell. I'm not going to buy. You can either use this. Okay, you can either use this. You want to see a break of structure, use the week if you want to. On the 4-hour time frame, you want to see a break of structure. So we want to see that the market breaks this, and then a pullback will give us a sell. Do you get it now? This is so important. This is so important. But the break, we expect it to break so that the neckline will be broken, or the trend line will be broken. Those are the two things we're looking for a sell. But if it fails, if this fails and the market fails to create a lower low, then we should be looking at a buying, and then going above that trend line will give us opportunity to go up. Now, you need to join our Telegram group if you're not there, to help you understand how we do look at this on a daily basis. You know, it's very important. Some of you are still struggling to trade our weekly analysis. I get it, but you need to understand that this is what we do weekly, so you don't want to miss out on the opportunity. So this is how I'm looking at trading GU this week. So what is my final take on this? I'm looking at two things, and I've showed you what to look for. Number one, this is not like it's a strong sell. I know the market has been selling, but I'm not going to be so biased with the market of selling. Rather, I should be open-minded with the market of either buying or selling. And I'm showing you why I'm looking at that, because of this strong key area here. The market came down here, remember, in the past, and bounces off. So it's coming back there again. It could bounce off. It could bounce off. It could. So I'm not going to just be blinded with the fact that, oh, I must sell. It must be a sell. No, that's not how you trade. You got to learn to be flexible. So I've given you 2 angles. Watch this video again and again. I've explained both angles and I've shown you how to expect a trade this week. Whether you're a swing trader, you're a scalper, you're a day trader, you need to wait for the opportunity for the market to give you that you are ready to start looking at directions. You trade according to the trend. All right. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have not hit the subscribe button, hit the subscribe button, guys, because more of this is coming your way. Now, let's move to the winner of the week. All right. The previous video we did, which is week 8, we're going to now pick the winner. Whoever is going to win this comment section, win our mentorship giveaway. So let's go to it now. So this is the video. Which is week 8. I'm only doing it on GBpUSD, not on EU. So GBpUSD, this is the video. We have about, let me just open the video. I'm not going to play it, pause it. This is the video right here. And we have about, how many comments? About, wait a minute. We have what? Is that about 20 something comments? Yeah, about 23 comments. So I'm going to take
on your currency trading journey.
I'm going to take the link right now, copy, and I'm going to go to this comment picker here. All right, guys, I hope you're following that. This is going to be an amazing thing. So get ready to see the winner. Who is going to be the winner? So this is the video, and we are going to be selecting. This is the video. We are going to be picking the winner on this video right here. Okay, now we are very festive. We have about 23 comments in total. So we need just one winner. One winner out of this. We just need one winner out of this. One. Are you ready? Let's go. The winner is Oladeji Joshua Akintoyo. Akintayo. I think Akintayo. Sorry about that to pronounce the name. This is Joshua Akintayo Olajide. Congratulations to you, Joshua Akintayo. You can watch this video. You're seeing us now. We're gonna get we need to get in contact with you. So write to us on the comment section on the video. And this is the comment he said. He said, wow, just as my own analysis. Well, I think this guy doesn't need our course. I don't think so. Do you think that this guy need our course? I don't think so, because I can tell based on his statement, he's already a trader, and my analysis that he said confirm his analysis. So that means he's already a trader. I don't think he will need our mentorship course. So Joshua Akintoya, you need to write to us. Let us know if you need it. Let us know if you don't need it. Just nominate somebody in the Telegram group or wherever it is and show you are there. Nominate somebody that you want this giveaway to go to, because we want some people who are not really in understanding the trading market, who are struggling to understand how to trade the forex market, especially new ones, those who are new to the market. So those are the guys we're looking for. So ensure you get in touch with us. Congratulations once again. And then that's it, guys. We've done it. Congratulations. Now, before we go, I want us to look at the economic calendar for the week. Okay, we're going to be looking at the economic calendar for the week. Now, this is the calendar for the week. This is on Monday, which is tomorrow, February 27th. Today's 26th. Now we have some low impact news coming in. So there might be some little spikes here and there from 9 a.m. London time, London section to 3 p.m. So expect some movement that will be like a spike here and there, not really strong movement because they are low impact news, as you can see. So pay attention to that tomorrow. Then on Tuesday, which is 28th, we have an high impact news coming, which is consumer confidence, and it's coming at 3 p.m. And also those of you that trade CAD, 1:30 p.m. Remember, CAD also has some influence. Whenever an high impact news is coming on CAD, it has influence on USD, US dollars, because it has dollars on it. Okay. Any currency that has dollars on it always have that influence on any other US dollars currency pairs. Okay, so for those of you that trade JPY, you also have impact news coming up on Tuesday. Now on Wednesday, which is on the 1st, we have more impact news coming in. We have CPI on Australia dollars. Also, we have GBP. Bali speaks tomorrow. The governor of Bali will be speaking around this period of which is 10 a.m. in the morning. So we should expect some movement that will affect this market within that period of time. Again, USD manufacturing PMI is coming in, so you need to pay attention to this news. So the week again, this coming week is filled with high impact news as well. On Wednesday, it appears to be a little bit low impact news on Wednesday. I mean on Tuesday. Sorry, on Thursday, not on Tuesday, on Thursday. Okay, on Thursday we have some low impact news coming in there as well, but a little bit of high impact news, which is New Zealand dollars. So expect it to affect a little bit to affect US dollars a bit, maybe some spike here and there. So expect that. Then on Friday we have the service PMI is a high impact news. It's coming in at 3 p.m. So that's the last impact news that are going to be seen on Friday. So the week is loaded with with news. So get ready for that. So I believe you guys enjoyed the whole section that we had on this analysis. So thank you for watching. And for those of you trading EU USD, expect the analysis to be released soon on week 9. Thank you so much, guys, and have a good one. See you next week. Bye for now.